More fireworks. Fireworks. Fireworks over there, fireworks over here. I literally have to position my camera like this. Actually, no, I have to keep it right. Okay. Fireworks are exploding. We should have gone to the park, Dad. Two fireworks. Calm down. The cricket's already out. Don't you let the crickets. Ah, not again! Stop! Oh! Ow! Ow! Dad, guys, it's starting. It's starting. Ah! 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 Stop! Ah! Ow! Ah! Now this is a fireworks show. Everyone, come back out! Fireworks! Now this is a fireworks show, right, guys? Yeah. Stop with the hops or treats! Ow! Ow!
Pretty cool, what?
People are constantly honking in my ears. Oh, it's just hurting my ears.
Bro.
Yeah.
Stop being that freaking weirdo. Just enjoy it. Ooh, that one's spooky.
Yeah. Yeah, see the speeder light is.
That honk sounds reminds me of the one at the Niners Stadium. You score a touchdown?
Yeah, yeah, at least that one isn't as annoying.
You're just being oversensitive, man.
Yeah.
Stop being like that, dude. It's been going for a minute right there, huh?
Yeah.
A little area for fireworks show.
I think I basically chose a front row seat.
Without having to pay all those people they had to pay for the same show.
Yeah.
And the guys.
And all those guys over there, of course, I feel bad for them as they can't park here. And she has to be a Karen kicking them all out.
Or Karen.
Yeah, looks like we found a Karen of our apartment, bros. That kind of looks like an Allosaurus. Hey, you're on videotape. So my fans will remember this if I even have it. Oh, someone being lifted up into the air. Oh, that was a multi-firework one. I think the show's coming to a wrap, boys. I'm enjoying the fireworks show right now. Got front row seats and I didn't even need to pay an event center. Probably like $20.
Oh, got close right here.
Yeah. You shouldn't have moved him, Dad. It took forever to stand him up.
He wasn't even standing, he was even down.
Yeah, it took us because I was slowly positioning.
Dude, look how easy it was to stand him up. And now it looks like he's actually looking.
And he just knocked over Steggy.
Steggy.
Also may have moved Dallo a little bit.
Leave him. Dude, they stood up super easy.
Are you enjoying this, Dad? I can take that as a yes. funny, so I'm about to upload this to YouTube as soon as it's done. Boom. My fans, if you're seeing this, remember, this took a long time to happen because there was just one firework for like 5 minutes, like a couple of fireworks.
It took a second to get going, but now it's growing?
Yeah, now they're like shooting 2 fireworks per second. And that's not even counting all our neighbors or just lighting a bajillion. I kind of wish we didn't waste up the most of those firecrackers, so that way we had some for this year.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
This happens every single year, bro.
Yeah, you're alright.
But we went to Hawaii this year. That doesn't happen every year.
Yeah.
You get me?
So next year we'll be able to celebrate.
Yeah, you gotta choose, bro. You gonna do the same thing every single year? All right. Last year we popped off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we low key did, huh?
Yeah, we spent $100.
Fireworks.
Yeah, and one of them was actually a pretty good one.
Oh, the one that just.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was cool, bro.
We were celebrating big last year, fans.
Yeah, we were about to go to Hawaii and be chilling on the beach, though.
Yeah. And definitely might be vlogging our time over there on my YouTube channel.
Are you?
Yeah, I will. So the people.
We gotta get our train tickets so we can make it to New York.
Yeah, so the people who will probably find our channel will have something to look forward to.
How do you think they're going?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah,
Good, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty good. The fireworks show.
Yeah.
Took a couple of seconds, and by seconds I mean like a couple of minutes. But starting up.
Yeah, it's picking up.
Yeah, it's picking up steam. Yeah. At first this one was kind of like a night to forget, but once it started to like do more fireworks,
It's
Yeah.
cool.
yeah, it just became a cool fireworks show.
A night to forget.
Yeah, at first, but now it's a night to remember.
You're funny.
This kid.
Yeah.
I know. He says the most amazing things.
It was when he was like maybe like in first grade, all his teachers and like all the other grown-ups in the school, they were like, dude, it's like talking to a little child that's a grown-up.
Grown-up.
Like, yeah, it is like, I know what y'all mean.
I know. His vocabulary and his thought processes
Yeah.
are amazing.
Yeah.
Have you had his IQ tested?
No, I haven't had his IQ tested, but he got the highest test scores of the state in his school last year, 3rd grade. So I've already known, you know, and it's been like every single one of his teacher always comes with the same thing. They're like, he's smarter than the grade he's in, and all this.
So
I mean, seriously, I think he could do high school level work right now.
nah.
His problem is he's lazy.
Ah.
He's super smart, but he's like a little lazy.
Really?
Yeah. If he applied himself, he probably could. Yeah. You gotta get him a little bit more.
What do you want to be when you get out of school? What do you want to do with your life?
There are a couple things.
What?
He's said paleontologist before, and he's also said like, I can't remember.
But yeah, mostly paleontology. I've even
He's like really into science
yeah.
stuff. So
I keep on
think
forgetting my
he's
science classes
Oh
though.
my god.
You'll be a chemist who invents the cure for cancer.
Oh, that would be amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would.
Yeah.
My grandpa was making cancer. That sucks.
Yeah. Wound actually. So that's pretty sad. But at least we get to remember him every year thanks to Day of the Dead. I think I'll be giving him a little lasagna this year.
Gotta get him cold Coke, bro.
Yeah, Coke. He loved Coca-Cola.
Karen in action.
Yeah. Oh, Karen in action with me, Karen. Karen alert. Karen alert. He is nice to us, but when it comes to people quote unquote intruding, she just kicks them out. Let them see the fireworks.
Business. You get me. She's probably told by the owner to do that. You never know. Influence Corona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For all we know, that could actually.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, did you see? He just had a battle to the death with somebody, bro.
Yeah. Probably a
He
giant.
probably impaled another one of these. They're probably they're like dinosaurs back in the day. You know how they were saying these guys only fought for
Dominance.
dominance or for like mating rights, or that's
Yeah.
probably what these guys were doing, and he impaled the guy with his horns, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Have you seen the Rams?
No.
When they just run straight at each other. They're like modern day stingies, bro.
Modern day stick.
Yeah, dude. I swear, look.
That they don't have the 9 foot thick bone on the top of their head.
Bro. But look what they do have. Watch.
You guys should be watching the fireworks.
Yeah,
Not
you're.
looking at your phone. You can do that anytime.
I'm recording the fireworks. I think it's about.
Look. They better go to.
Oh!
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling
No wonder why the Raiders basically chose a ram. I'm pretty sure. Wait,
Dude,
no, that's.
Rams go crazy. They run at each other and just collide, man.
And
Oh, that
who?
one went crazy, dude.
And who knows what the Triceratops is did for their mating rituals or whatever. I mean, they have sharp horns,
Yeah.
so they probably kind of did the same thing as the lambs.
Ooh.
Oh, I like saw it at the corner of my eye. The sticky mullet's pretty much facing a tree, Dad.
Yeah.
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 You can only see him off the corner.
What's this guy laying down? Oh, he had damage, huh?
Yeah, remember his legs?
What
Yeah.
happened to his mouth? Why is he taped up?
Because this part is ripping off. We need to glue it back on.
You know, if we glue it, he's not gonna be able to chomp no more, right?
No, it's just right here.
It's a side.
Yeah, just the side.
Hey, well, at least
His
he gets some
chomping
sense,
mechanism
man.
will still work.
Look, he literally just stood up.
Yeah. I felt his legs going
Is that the galley?
right here.
So what is he? Zuccomimus? Or Gallimimus?
He's a Suchomimus.
There you go.
Crocodile mimic. I wish we actually.
He's like a
saw-
crocodile?
Yeah, crocodile mimic.
He kind of looks like little crocodiles who have that head like that.
Yeah, every Spinosaurus
Oh,
actually
you
has.
got them all to stand up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The little guys.
10 feet tall, so it's towering over both of us.
Stay in the tall grass. Nobody ever listens.
Yeah, nobody ever listens to Peter Lulu. Get out of the tall grass. Only people who watched The Lost World would get that reference at the time.
What?
You got you a chair too?
Oh, yeah. Don't you have a chair?
Heck no. My booty in my car. My car, that's about it.
Velociraptors mostly stayed intact, so there'd probably be no mating fight for
What happened to
dominance.
this guy's leg? It's all like.
Thomas got a chair too.
Oh no, it was always made like that. I'm pretty sure it was manufactured right.
I know. We got
One thing that mildly infuriates everyone is the fact that the claws or the feet aren't painted.
Regular.
They're just.
My
the color
credit
of
to
the
us,
plastic.
Suchomimus and I'm pretty sure Sticky Moloch have painted feet. Well, Steve just stopped doing it after some attack packs. Yeah, after
No.
like some more attack packs, they probably just stopped doing it as it was so much of a hassle.
Yeah, exactly.
So I have some pretty rare toys in terms of cosmetics. And I noticed that Dilophosaurus is definitely rare because color variants are
You
not.
said rare?
Probably, I don't know.
This guy looks cool though. Look,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dilophosaurus usually come with Dennis Nedry and a car, but it looks like you bought singular, which means he doesn't have the spit. The Dilophosaurus venom. Because the Dennis Nedry one
It's gonna-
had like
Oh.
like toy venom.
9:30.
Like a little cosmetic, kind of like those little glass things.
What's going on? It's been going for
Yeah. It's probably gonna be my longest upload yet. But who knows how how long your vlogs will be.
They even
Oh,
got
there he goes.
music this year.
Yeah.
Do
Like,
you hear the music?
I could barely hear it over
Yeah.
the giant sounds of fireworks and us talking. Wait, I can hear it. I think it's just ripped straight from Pandora Radio.
What? It's Pandora?
I think so. I don't know.
Probably.
Yeah. Pandora's actually a good music app. It's kind of like a modern day radio because there's a lot of stations. There's even podcasts on there.
So, do you do your homework?
Yes,
Oh yeah, he does all his schoolwork, but
Does
I
he?
mean like just like if he's not interested in the subject, he's not doing like research on it and stuff like that. Like it has to get his attention for him to like fully dive into it.
Yeah. So if you put me with dinosaur fossils, I'll completely look into what species it is.
Cool.
Yeah.
I want you to become a chemist
Yeah. That'd be pretty
Scientist,
cool.
bro.
and make medications.
Yeah, that'd also be pretty cool.
Well, that one's
Oh yeah, that firework was cool. Pretty sure we had one like that last year. It took it a while for it to get epic, but now it is. You should also post it to your YouTube channel, or just like videos of fireworks going off, Dad. Good thing the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound, because my ears would have been deaf by now. Yeah, look, there's some floor fireworks over there.
Yeah, that one's cool.
Oh, I knocked over my water bottle. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually a pretty cool firework. I'm
Yeah,
definitely
I
gonna
like that one. It's just coming up over the top of the building.
Yeah. Now it's time to get back into my Lightning McQueen seat. Just massive fireworks. Ooh. 4 in a row. Wow. The ground has to start chilling out. For sure everyone already has ground zero has already become deaf. You should have seen our fireworks last year.
oh, that one's
We basically got this show for free. Oh, a couple more floor ones. Ooh. I'm gonna have to start filming. Yeah, the music's getting louder over time. I think.
It is getting louder.
Yeah, I think someone complained about it being too quiet. Like, hey, we'll put it on my back stand. How about that? But the fireworks are still louder. They'll always be, no matter how high the volume is.
and there wasn't a show last year, correct?
Yeah, there wasn't.
There wasn't, right?
Yeah, because of coronavirus. Because
Right.
you know it was still like very rampant, and we still.
And 4 years ago, they didn't have one because they didn't have enough money to buy the
Oh
fireworks.
wow.
Yeah.
So this place was basically broken. Like, what year was it? I think it. You said 4 years ago, so 1 minus 4. So like 2015 or 2016?
Yeah, I think that's when we were still in Vegas, bro.
Yeah, you mean during when we were still living in the big desert? Yeah.
Hey, but they had a pretty cool show that year in Vegas too. I don't know if you remember.
Vegas has
No.
great shows.
It was amazing actually. Like we drove off out into the desert in the hills, and like the hill was high enough to where like the fireworks were like blowing up like almost like eye level with you.
Eye level?
Yeah, it was really nice.
How cool.
I don't remember that.
You
So.
don't remember that? It was me, you, and Eddie, bro.
Oh yeah, no. I still remember the Chris Angel magic show.
Oh, that magic show was bad.
Yeah, I will keep that in my mind until the day until I go into my grave.
Yeah, that was a good show, man.
Yeah. And when I got chocolate wasted.
Chocolate wasted.
Yeah. No, I think that's Trev.
No, that is not true.
Okay, never mind. Yeah.
Do her thing, bro. Old people do stuff like weird, man. You know how grandma is like that too?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta let these old people be old people, bro. You can't get in their way, bro.
Yeah.
Feel me? Feel me, Doge? Hey, you out here with your Niner hat repping the Niners? I love that.
Yeah, I'm representing. Hey, it's really rare to see you wear that hat.
The little American flag, I think it's on one of these sides.
It's on this side.
Is this side?
Yeah, this side. The one that really took. It's blinding lights. Do, 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 do. Tell your friends I said hi. Nice. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be a video that takes a while to upload.
You're not gonna be able to upload the whole thing, bro. It's too long. You might want to stop it now.
Maybe I should cut this.